Hello and welcome to the U-Select Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we're looking at Zanolli's range of conveyor ovens. As ever, before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so. And if you do, click on the bell as well to make sure you are notified whenever we post a new video, which is every single week. A conveyor oven is basically an oven that uses impingement, which is targeted jets of hot air. You can control the speed of the belt and the heat on the top and the bottom. It's important to note that these things aren't just pizza ovens, they're conveyor ovens. They're just an oven and they move, so you can do whatever you want in there. We've seen biscuits, we've seen potatoes, we've seen lots of different things, even pastries, but the main use is going to be for pizza ovens. All of the sizes are based on the width of the belt. So we start with a 16-inch, then there's a 20-inch, a 26-inch, a 32-inch, and a 40-inch, and that is a right beast. The main thing to think when you are considering buying a Zanolli conveyor oven is working out how many pizzas you want to produce at your peak period. And then once you've done that, look at the footprint. Now, if, for example, you don't have much space but you want to be producing a lot of pizzas, so the 16-inch can produce 25 12-inch pizzas an hour. If you think, actually, we're going to want to produce 50, that's not a problem because these machines are stackable. You can do 3 on any one of these models. They're simple mechanically, they don't go wrong very often, and they are simple to set up. You just have the temperature for the bottom, the temperature for the top, and the conveyor speed. No matter who is using that machine, as long as I can make up a pizza, you know that pizza is going to be the top perfect quality. All of these machines are available in gas and electric. The smallest one is 8 kilowatts single phase, and from there on all of them are available in both single and 3 phase, but they have an increasing amount of load, so you will need to double check that against the supply that you have. All of them come with a stand, so you don't need to worry about where you're going to put them, and as I said, all of them are stackable. The capacity of these things is remarkable. As I've said, the smallest does 25 an hour. The largest, the 40-inch, can do 200 12-inch pizzas an hour. The key to a good conveyor oven is that they are consistent and they are really dependable. Zanolli are very dependable. They give a 1-year parts and labour warranty with all of their machines, but the British importers are so confident in the machines, they give a 2-year warranty. That speaks volumes for us. We are very confident in these machines when we send them out. They're great pieces of kit. In conclusion, if you want to produce lots of pizzas consistently, day in, day out, for years, a Zanolli is a good choice. They're well made, they're easy to fix, they don't go wrong very often, and they're very, very easy to use to produce consistent results. If you order one, you won't go far wrong.